Today, I'm sharing documents that show that school districts across Alberta were raising serious concerns last summer about Adriana LaGrange's inadequate school reentry plan. These concerns include not having enough staff to reduce class sizes, not having enough space to enforce social distancing, not having enough PPE, not enough testing, not enough support for mental health, and above all, not enough funding. These concerns were all valid. Tens of thousands of Alberta students, staff, family members have been forced into isolation after schools reopened. In less than 3 months, all students in grades 7 through 12 were forced out of the classroom to learn remotely from home. Adriana LaGrange didn't want Albertans to see the feedback that she got on her inadequate plan. We requested those documents back in July, and in September, her office said that these records didn't exist. But nobody believed that. That denial was prompted, following that denial, we prompted an investigation with the Information and Privacy Commissioner, and that investigation is still ongoing. But now we know that there are hundreds of pages. Edmonton Public Schools wrote that 2-meter distancing with all of their students attending would leave them 20,000 student spaces short. Medicine Hat Catholic wrote that they had, quote, serious reservations about sending our students into an environment which involves social distancing, PPE, split classes, and the like. In their words, this scenario did not represent, quote, a safe environment. School boards also warned this government about the damage their cuts have already had. Golden Hills told this government, quote, cuts made in our budget and those partner organizations were cause for concern pre-pandemic. Now, with the anticipated needs associated with recent events, we will require more financial support to support our students and staff. Let me be very clear. I want schools to remain open safely. But Adriana LaGrange must take action and finally start listening to the Albertans who work in our schools. Last summer, I presented her with our recommendations, 15 of them. We called it Safe Schools, Successful Students, and Alternate Plan for School Reentry. And the response was that the government completely ignored it. They failed to act on those recommendations last summer, but it's not too late to reduce class sizes, to limit infections and isolations, to introduce widespread rapid testing in schools, and to develop an Alberta Learn From Home Fund to support families. Jason Kenney's government must stop making the same mistakes over and over again. They must start finally listening to Albertans. Kids are too important.